Shout it, wear it, give it, read it, brand it.
A QR code, or quick response code, can seem almost alien to the uninitiated. Its essential function, providing an interactive way for companies and individuals to bring their online world to the offline one. The process behind how a QR code works is quite simple. You put your QR code wherever your prospective customers are going to see it, and have the time and inclination to scan it. Your prospective customers or viewers then scan your code using their smartphone and a barcode scanner app. Once they've properly scanned your QR code, their smartphone directs them to the site, mobile site, or online coupon that's linked to your code.